Hello once again guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day so far. So what we're going to be talking about in this video today is the best possible online business to start. And I know that there's a lot of different options out there in terms of starting your own online business. We talk about a lot of different ideas here on this channel, but there are three core areas or businesses that I think are talked about the most. And so what I wanted to do in this video is do a comparison of these three businesses, because if you're anything like me, you guys are getting bombarded on YouTube and Facebook with ads surrounding Shopify, Amazon FBA, or affiliate marketing. And it's probably something like trying to take a sip from a fire hose if you're trying to explore these different businesses, because you have so much information coming at you at once. Now, I'm just going to be transparent with you guys. I am an affiliate marketer, and so naturally I'm going to be biased towards affiliate marketing here. But I'm going to try to do my best to give you guys an honest overview of these three different businesses to maybe help you better understand, which one might be a good fit for you. But if you are actually looking to start one of these businesses, I would highly recommend following some other YouTubers who do Shopify or Amazon FBA and learning from them as well, because of my obvious bias here towards affiliate marketing. And in particular, I've never really talked to anybody who does Shopify. One of my close friends, Jordan, the Millionaire Millennial, I've done some videos with him. He's quite successful with Amazon FBA, and I'll link up the interview series I did with him in the description below. He's a great person to learn from if you're looking to explore this idea and learn more about Amazon FBA. But that being said, let's break it down. Let's look at these three different business models and talk about the differences between them. So first of all, the age of these different businesses. How long have people been doing Shopify and Amazon? Mostly in the last 5 to 10 years. Now, Amazon and Shopify have both been around for 15 to 20 years, but only in the recent years has it really become a viable business to essentially, have your own Shopify dropshipping store or do, Amazon FBA. And if you guys aren't familiar with these businesses at all, essentially what you're doing with Shopify is doing drop shipping. So you're buying a product from overseas, typically from Alibaba or AliExpress, and then you're bringing it over here to the US, maybe you're repackaging it, and then you're selling it for a higher price over here, and you're essentially just the middleman making that profit. Now, the difference between Shopify and FBA is primarily the fact that Amazon is going to be fulfilling that order. So you order stuff from, again, Alibaba in most cases, you ship it over here to the US and it goes to an Amazon warehouse for fulfillment, assuming you don't have any packaging going on in between. And then when somebody orders your product off of Amazon, well, Amazon is going to fulfill that entire order. And then third of all on our list here, we have affiliate marketing, which is a business model that's been around for 25 plus years, since before the internet was even around. A lot of people don't realize how old affiliate marketing is, but it's essentially just getting paid for referrals. So just to give you guys a really simple example here, let's say you're a realtor and you have all of these friends who are, painters, and they do woodwork and they do all these different things. Now, I don't know if this is allowed in terms of referrals, but let's say, for example, somebody who buys a home says, hey, I'm looking for a painter. Do you know anybody? Let's say you pass them that business card and then you tell that guy, hey, I referred you this customer, and you earn a commission in the process. Now, I have no idea about the legality of being a real estate agent or if you can earn kickbacks, so that's not the point of that example. I just want to show you how, versatile affiliate marketing can be and how it's been around for decades. Beyond that, let's talk about the biggest thing that I think people need to understand about these businesses, and that is the profit margin. A lot of the times you're going to see people on, YouTube or Facebook advertising these stores that are doing $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month in revenue. But what they're not telling you is what is their profit margin on those sales. Because typically what you're going to find with Shopify and Amazon FBA is your profit margin is around 30 to 40%. So if you had a Shopify store doing $10,000 in revenue, you would expect your profit to be, $3,000 to $4,000. That is where affiliate marketing is completely different, because if you're doing it right, affiliate marketing should be a 90+% profit margin business, because there's literally no expenses associated with this business. There's no inventory, there's no ads if you don't want to have them, and so it's a super lean business model where you could easily see a 90+% profit margin with it. Moving on, cost to get started. What are the operating costs to get up and running? I'm sure there's people out there telling you can do Shopify and Amazon with $100, but I honestly don't think that is quite right because there are going to be some costs associated with any business you start. But I found some resources online that kind of helped us understand this. It says to start a Shopify store, it's going to cost you around $500 to $3,000. And to start up with Amazon FBA, that's more like $2,500 to $4,000. Now, the big difference between these two businesses and affiliate marketing is that you can absolutely start affiliate marketing for free because you don't need to buy anything. It could be as simple as starting up a YouTube channel where you're going to do product reviews, or you're going to open up a WordPress website, and in order to get that up and running, a self-hosted WordPress website is not going to cost you a lot of money, at most maybe $100 for a year of web hosting and a domain. So we're not talking about a large upfront investment. Moving on, let's talk about order fulfillment. Do you have to fulfill orders with Shopify? Yes, you do. Do you fulfill orders with Amazon FBA? Absolutely. Now that's something that a lot of people will outsource, but it is still a part of this business. There's absolutely no order fulfillment with affiliate marketing because the person who you refer that sale to is going to fulfill that order. Customer service. There is going to be some element of customer service involved with Shopify if somebody's unhappy with the product and they want a return. There's going to be customer service involved with an Amazon FBA business above and beyond their contact with Amazon. There is no customer service with affiliate marketing because you're not directly dealing with the customer. You are passing that lead on to that business or service or whatever you're affiliated with, and they're going to maintain that customer relationship. If they have a problem, they're going to call whoever you referred them to. They're not going to be calling you. You are not a part of that process. Moving on, inventory. Yes, you have inventory with Shopify, and if you're doing it right and drop shipping correctly, you're ordering your stuff from overseas, bringing it to the US, and then you're shipping it here. Otherwise, it's going to be 30 or 40-day shipping in some cases, which people are not going to be happy with. Amazon FBA, it's a little bit better because the Amazon warehouses are fulfilling those orders for you, but you do have to keep track of inventory levels and order new products and have them shipped to that warehouse. There is no inventory with affiliate marketing. There may be inventory, but you're not dealing with that side of the business. You're passing the lead, and then whoever sells that product or service, and there's obviously no inventory with a service, but whoever sells that product is going to fulfill that order. So let's say, for example, you're affiliated with Bose headphones and you earn a commission for passing those leads. Let's say you earn, a $5 commission by referring somebody over to purchase a pair of Bose headphones. Well, Bose is going to be the one who talks to that customer. They're going to be the one who fulfills that order, ships the product, handles customer service. They're keeping track of inventory. All you did is pass over that sale and earn the commission in the process. Moving on, do you need to run ads? What you're going to find is with Shopify, a lot of it is based on running ads, interest-based ads on Facebook. Whether it's the wolf mug or whatever you want to talk about here you've seen in the ads, it's trying to find a niche product that you can sell and running ads to people on Facebook. Amazon FBA, in the beginning, you're probably going to need ads to get your product up and running and get that sales velocity. So you will have to, in most cases, figure out how to run, either Facebook or Google ads. Affiliate marketing, you can run ads if you want to, but you can also just rely on organic search traffic if you're not interested in running ads. Moving on, what is the biggest pro of each of these businesses and then the biggest con? Well, the biggest pro of the Shopify store, in my opinion, and this could also carry over to Amazon, is that it's completely behind the scenes. If you don't want to be in front of a camera, nobody knows who owns these Shopify stores or Amazon FBA stores. The biggest pro of doing Amazon FBA is you're able to capitalize and piggyback off of the #1 e-commerce platform out there. And as Amazon grows, the sales on Amazon grow, and these independent sellers are making more and more money in the process. And if you look at the projected growth of e-commerce over the next few years, it is a good trend to be a part of. And then the biggest pro with affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is that it can be around something you're passionate about. I make the majority of my affiliate commissions from brokerage accounts and investing platforms, and that's something I'm super passionate about, which is finance and investing. So I've taken a passion of mine, figured out how to build a business around it, and I'm able to do something I enjoy and write articles and make videos about things that I really love. Is anybody super passionate about e-commerce or Shopify? They may or they may not be, but if you are looking to do something that's passion-oriented, I think affiliate marketing is the best option for you. Now, the biggest con of each of these three businesses. Number one, since a lot of Shopify sellers are simply running these interest-based ads on Facebook, it does become a bit of a race to zero in terms of your profit margin, because let's say, for example, you're selling that wolf mug and you found a perfect niche and you're running ads to these people. It's only a matter of time until another Shopify seller builds a similar store selling wolf mugs to that same target audience. Now you're competing against each other in terms of the same customers or potential audience, meaning that your ad prices are going to climb up higher and your margins are going to get slimmer. The biggest con with Amazon FBA is that there is a product life cycle involved with anything you're selling. Now, that may be a 2-year life cycle, it could be a 5-year life cycle or more, but in most cases, the product you're selling today on Amazon is not going to be the same one you're selling 2 or 3 years down the road, so you constantly have to be looking for new products or have somebody on your team doing that for you. And then by far, the biggest con of affiliate marketing is it takes a very long time. I can tell you that most people, if they're doing the blogging approach, building up a blog, they're not going to make any money for the first, in some cases, 12 to 18 months, because that's how long it takes to build up authority and get substantial traffic to your blog. I know people who have done Amazon and Shopify that have gone to $0 to $10,000 in the course of 6 months. So it is quicker in most cases to get up and running with Shopify or Amazon FBA, but it all has to make sense for you and it has to ultimately be a business that you're interested in running. The issue is, if you build a business that you don't like, you're essentially just going to build a job for yourself, and eventually you're going to want to get out from under that. And so I always encourage people to build something that they actually like from the beginning. It's going to be a much easier process. Anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section down below which of these three business models are most appealing to you. And if you are interested in learning about my business model, which is affiliate marketing, it's primarily based around building an audience and monetizing with affiliate marketing. And so I have a free 5-step blueprint I'm going to link up in the top link in the description below, which goes through the 5 steps you follow to build a following or build your tribe online. And then eventually that is when you can use affiliate marketing to make money from that audience. So that ebook is the top link in the description below, completely free. I'll be sending that to you over Facebook Messenger. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.